Welcome back to the OpenAI Associate Developer course. In this new section, we'll dive into the capabilities provided by the OpenAI's Image Generation API. As you may know, OpenAI's models aren't just limited to generating text. They can also create incredibly detailed images based on the user-provided prompts. Throughout this series of lessons, we will explore this powerful Image Generation API. You'll learn how to leverage the API to create unique images tailored to your specific needs, whether for creative projects, marketing, or any other applications where visual content is key. We will start by understanding the basic configuration and setup required to use the Image Generation API effectively. Then, from there, we will delve into more advanced features, such as customizing an image's size, specifying multiple image generations, and handling different response formats. We will cover best practices for optimizing your image API calls using the configuration properties to achieve the best possible results. You'll also learn how to handle and store the generated images, ensuring they are easily accessible and usable in your projects. By the end of this section, you'll have a comprehensive understanding of OpenAI's image generation capabilities and how to implement them in your own applications. This knowledge will enable you to unlock new creative possibilities and enhance your projects with high-quality, AI-generated visuals. Let's get started and explore the amazing potential of OpenAI's Image Generation API together.